Hello and welcome. We're here at the Bauma show and Keestrack is releasing the new Keestrack R2. So we're going to do a walk around this machine to give some insight on what this is. So this is a smaller machine than the R3. It weighs in at 27 tonne with everything on it, the after screen included. And the rotor size on this machine is just 100mm smaller than the R3 and in diameter as well. So in terms of production, the very first R3, we expect this to sit about 20% less than the old model R3. So we're here now at the control panel. So the functionality on this is exactly the same as the other R3s. The difference to this machine, it's not direct drive anymore. And I've done that because we're a little bit more compact and it's now hydrostatic. So the advantage that does give us is we can manipulate the speed of the crusher to what we need, and so it can go from say 30 meters a second up to 45 meters a second. So if we want to make a smaller product, it gives us a lot more opportunity to speed that rotor up to make that more sand or smaller fractions. So moving then on through, we'll get our magnet belt, we'll get our after screen. So that after screen is a 2.7 by 1.2 meter wide screen, and we've seen these before in the old models in the R3s, a capacity of easily 250 tonne an hour on that screen box. See here, it is actually fitted with the wind sifter unit. That's mainly for guys that are doing a lot of recycling and want to remove that timber out of it. So moving on through, we have now the rotor. You can see the assembly of this rotor is a little bit different, the housing. We've got quick release systems here, a new and improved safety system, and that's just the one key slot that fits in here, undo this bolt, and that there is holding the crusher chamber down as well, and that releases, and then we can open our chamber up. So in terms of the crushing principle, this is exactly the same as the Keestrack machines in the other R series. So rectangle rotor with our blow bar spaced back, and that's a true proven and tried shape of the rotor and giving optimum shape index, optimum throughput, and also using the dual aprons. So our settings on the apron is the same as the R3s with shims at the bottom and straight hydraulic at the top. So up on the hopper now, so what's different in this machine is because it's compact, Keestrack's gone to the one piece feeder. So you can see at the back, this is sloping uphill. What that's doing is slowing the material to a point and then dropping onto the pre-screen. So our pre-screen size is the same as the R3H, and it's so 900 by 1.2, and then as you see, everything is like Keestrack does, replaceable wear parts on top of the weldment of the hopper. So the steel in this machine is still using the Hardox Domex steel, giving you the optimum performance, and on top of that, extra wear lining as well. So moving through in the chamber, once again 2 rows of the rubbers keeping our dust down, heavy duty chains in there, and then our dust suppression system keeping that dust housed inside that chamber. So we're now at the back. This machine's powered by a Deutz engine, so we're a 130 kilowatt engine, and you can see nice easy access doors at the side, at the back, and the other side. And then on our pre-screen, not all machines will come with a pre-screen belt. It depends on what options you're looking for, but the way they've gated this now is a flat gate. So you can either have it onto the pre-screen belt or bypassing the crushing chamber and out through underneath. So once again, excellent easy access to the machine. You can see full view there on the drive system. So here's our hydraulic motor and belt drive, our tension pulley, and then our flywheel, which goes directly to the impactor. So the other change that we've got on this machine is the swiveling conveyor. So we can either have that feeding back into the hopper bin or off to the side, and then we can stockpile that fraction out that side. So nice and easy, all hydraulic slewing in here, and ease of use. So overall, that gives you a quick view of the R2. Really excited to see this machine coming out into the marketplace. We look forward to getting some into New Zealand. We see it being an awesome benefit for doing smaller quantities, new entry into the marketplace. But once again, you can see the features that Keestrack's flowing throughout in these machines, being tried and proven, keeping that quality and assurance, so maximising their customers' uptime.